Hello everyone, this is Ketish here. In this video, I'm going to go through question number 9 from the AQA 2022 Physics Paper 1 Higher Tier. This question is on the topic of energy. Figure 10 shows a girl doing an experiment to determine her power output by running to the top of some stairs. The mass of the girl was 60 kilogram. The height of the stairs was 175 centimeters. The girl ran to the top of the stairs in 1.4 seconds. The gravitational field strength is 9.8 Newton per kilogram. Calculate the power output of the girl. Use the equation sheet. So it's a 5-mark question, which means you would definitely have to use at least 2 equations here. So calculate the power output. If you need to calculate the power output, you need the equation power equals the energy divided by the time. Now, the mass of the girl is 60 kilogram. That's M. The height is H. This needs to be in meters. You would get a mark for converting that. That's 1.75 meters. And 1.4 seconds is the time, and the gravitational field strength. Let me put that as G. So to calculate the power output, I would need the energy divided by the time. Now, in order to calculate, I've got the time. In order to calculate the energy, which is the gravitational potential energy. So the energy or gravitational potential energy is the mass multiplied by the gravitational field strength multiplied by the height. So that's 60 times 9.8 times 1.75. So let's use our calculator. 60 multiplied by 9.8 times 1.75. That's 1029 joules. 1029 joules. So the power is 1029 divided by 1.4. Divide the answer by 1.4. That gives 735 watts. 735 watts. Question 9.2. The total power output of the girl was greater than the answer to question 9.1. Suggest 2 reasons why. Why would she actually spend more power than what we calculated, which is 735? Now, there's a couple of reasons. The main 2 reasons are the girl increases her kinetic energy as well as increasing her gravitational potential energy. So some of the energy is going into that. And some energy is wasted in her muscles, or you could say some energy is transferred as thermal energy to the surroundings. Question 9.3. A boy took more than 1.4 seconds to run up the same stairs. The power output of the boy was the same as the power output of the girl. What conclusion can be made about the boy's mass? Now, if the power output is the same and the time was actually increased, that means the energy should have actually gone up as well. So remember, power was the energy divided by the time. Now, if the power output was the same, in order to keep the power output, if you increase the time, the energy should have also increased. For the energy to increase, gravitational potential energy was the mass, gravity, and the height. Now, these 2 are constant, then the mass should have also increased. So the boy's mass was greater than the girl's mass. That brings us to the end of question number 9. I will see you in question number 10.